She may be the face I can't forget, the trace of pleasure or regret, maybe my treasure or the price I have to pay. She may be the song that summer sings, maybe the cheer that autumn brings, maybe 100 different things within a measure of a day. She may be the beauty and the beast, maybe the family or the feast, may turn each day into a heaven or a hell. She may be the mirror of my dreams, a smile reflected in a screen. She may not be what she may seem inside her shield. So proud and so proud, no one's allowed to see them when they cry. She may be the love that cannot hold to last, they come to me from shadows in the past that I remember till the day I die. She may be the reason I survive, the way the one I care from through the road in many years. I'll take her laughter in her tears and make them all my souvenirs. Where she goes, I've got to be the meaning of